In the world of diesel engines, precision matters. Fuel delivery isn't just about pushing fuel through a line, it's about timing, pressure, and accuracy. That's exactly where the 24 volts VP30 fuel injection pump steps in. This component, particularly in models like 216, 9824, 047006003, 047006010, and 2644P501, plays a key role in the performance of CAT 3056C and Perkins 1106C engines. Let's explore what makes this pump a critical piece in any high-performance diesel system, how to evaluate its quality, ensure it's correctly matched, and how to install it the right way to get the most out of your engine. Why the pump matters. At its core, a fuel injection pump regulates both the volume and timing of fuel delivered to each cylinder. In engines like the CAT 3056C and Perkins 1106C, fuel injection needs to happen at exact intervals and under high pressure. If the pump fails or is out of calibration, symptoms can range from hard starts to black smoke, poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, or even engine failure over time. The VP30 series pump is designed for electronically controlled diesel systems. It incorporates rotary distribution with electronic timing control and pressure regulation. But owning the correct model isn't enough. Compatibility, calibration, and installation make all the difference. Physical compatibility checks. The first thing to verify is whether the replacement pump is a physical match. External similarities can be misleading, especially in aftermarket options. It's crucial to compare mounting flange geometry, bolt hole alignment and spacing, drive shaft design and length, port positions, inlet, outlet, return, connector types, for electronically controlled versions. Even a 1 mm misalignment on a mounting surface can lead to improper sealing, vibration, or wear over time. Using a digital caliper or micrometer, measure all contact and alignment points and cross-check with the OEM specifications of the original unit. Internal configuration and flow characteristics. Beyond the exterior fit, each VP30 pump is calibrated for a specific flow rate, delivery timing, and pressure profile. These settings differ between models, even with matching housings. Take time to verify that the internal fuel map of your pump matches what your engine ECU expects. If you're replacing an OEM part, match the Bosch number or manufacturer serial code precisely. Pumps with identical housing codes can have completely different internal specs depending on the ECU programming or intended application. If in doubt, contact the seller and ask for detailed specs, or better yet, request a calibration certificate. Visual and structural inspection. Before installation, inspect the pump visually and physically. You're looking for high-quality castings with no porosity or rough edges, tight tolerances on gear teeth, mounting holes, and seals, no visible wear on the drive shaft or rotating components, intact electrical connectors and sensor housings. Low-end remanufactured units can sometimes include mismatched parts or old seals that won't hold under pressure. Shake the pump gently. There should be no rattling or free movement inside. Seals should be snug, and every moving part should have uniform resistance. Any signs of fluid leakage, oil film, or fuel smell are red flags. Calibration and bench testing. One of the most overlooked parts of diesel pump replacement is bench testing and pre-installation calibration. A quality supplier will calibrate the pump to factory settings using a diesel injection test bench. This machine measures fuel volume, pressure stability, timing, and response at various RPMs and loads. This isn't optional, it's essential. Without this step, your engine might start, but it won't run right. You risk poor fuel atomization, incomplete combustion, injector imbalance, or worse, mechanical failure due to overfueling or late injection. Ask your supplier for a test report that includes flow rate curve, cc per stroke, operating pressure range, idle and full load injection timing,